Hi everyone. Okay, so let me scoot you in here. So my Pipsticks order came in, the adult one. Today just got happier Pipsticks. And let's see what we got. I think that is it. Yep. Okay, so let's get started. I can't wait. So this is your guide to the sticker revolution, it says. So oh, it shows you a sneak peek of the June one. How cute. Coming soon sticker, the rainbow book. Huh. Oh, that's cool. I see what that is. You see what that is? It's the rainbow. So you got everything red, everything orange, like what you did in kindergarten. That's awesome. I love that. And then you guys don't have to rip open the bag. Just open it this way, because that way you can salvage the bag, because it's so pretty. And then look, this just peels off. So then you have a pretty bag to, you know, do your swaps or repurpose or so. So let's get started. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Sending you all the rainbows. So this is another rainbow theme, like the kids one. And do I have a, I might have a thing to show you. Okay, so okay, that's a little too far in. So let me scoot you a little out, and that way I can bring it up to you instead. So this is, how cute. So it has like, oh, let me get my pointer. It has the hair dryer. It has a hair dryer. It has, oh, candy corn. And like a beetle. Oh, look at the koala. How cute is that? That is super cute. I love it. And then we have, let's see. Oh, the acai bowls. That is cute. That is super cute. So you can build your own acai bowl. That is awesome. I think we always get 15, right? Is that what the number is all the time? Dreaming of stickers, less bitter, more glitter. Oh, that's cute. I love that one. That is so cute. Give me all the washi tape I break for stickers. Oh, how sweet. And then look at its foil. So it's pretty. And then we have, some of them are stuck on this doggy one. And then you have, oh, you have the pencil shavings also. So how cute is that? The pencil shavings is a sticker. I love that. It says tangerine. It says something carrot, cherry on top. I don't have my glasses, so cherry on top, pretty in pink. Something ice baby, periwinkle twinkle, jammin'. That is super fun. Look at that's at the pencils. Well, it doesn't. There you go. Doesn't want to really focus this morning, does it? I haven't had coffee either, so I understand you, camera. And then look at the puppies. This is the puppies. So they have a Frenchie. So does my camera seem off, you guys? It seems like it's blurry, but it could be my eyes. So they have a Frenchie, oh, and a Dachshund, and butterflies. Oh, look at the little, those little dots are also stickers. Let me wrap my mouth around my big tongue to talk right. And then these are like peace signs, flowers. Let peace bloom, it's called. And let's see, we got rainbow alphas. These are like totally rainbow. There we go. Okay. They're rainbow. No numbers, just alphas. And then we have, ooh, that one's beautiful. Look at how pretty that one is. And it has the sun right there. It has the clouds. It has lightning. And then it has raindrops. That's pretty. And this one has flowers in it. Nice. It's nice. And then we have, oh, the succulents. The succulents are in an upside down rainbow. That's, to me, that's what it looks like, right? So And you know how well I do with guessing things, so. But to me, it's a rainbow, okay? So, let's see, you got that one. Oh, I love this one so much. That is amazing. Yep, I love that. That's totally me. That's totally me. And then we have, oh, look at how pretty these are, you guys. Look at the cameras in the spaceship, but the spaceship is so pretty. It's got, see, it's iridescent. And you got pizza, you got a roller skate, a cassette, the old-fashioned phone. I had one of those. And then roller, a Rubik's Cube. How fun is that? I love that. That is so pretty. What pretty. Oh, look at this one. This is how I was trying to look and see how's it go. How's it going? So this is a strip. So you have, these look like W's to me, but I'm maybe, I don't know. To me they look like W's, but I don't know what they're supposed to be. Besides pretty, of course, because they are very, very pretty. So like I said, you guys, these things are $20 for a subscription. And just wait and look for the coupon that shows you 50% off your first subscription. And it's pretty cool. So, and look at this. She likes mushrooms a lot. That's kind of funny. So, I need to figure out what to do with mushrooms in my layouts. Maybe, you know what? Maybe my puppies are mushrooms. That's what we'll probably do. Because I always have them as sloths or something else, but now I'll probably make them mushrooms too. So this is, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, yeah. So we get 15 for $20, and that's with shipping and everything. So then you get, as a member, I think you get 5% or 10, yeah, I think it's 5%, but it could be 10, but I think it's 5% off if you order more stickers from her website. So awesome, you guys. They do have affiliate links and stuff. I don't want to deal with that. So when I give you a link, it's just a link. It doesn't, I don't get anything out of it. I never have, never will, probably, because it doesn't work for me, so it's fine. And so you can click on the link and I will get nothing, so it's fine. But it's pretty cool. I love it. So this one in the kid pack was just amazing. So I think it's $40 or it's 15. It may be 15 for the kid pack and 20, or it could be 20 for both. I don't remember the kids pack, but because I got the 50% off, and I think it was like $6 and something cents for the kids pack. So, but either way, 40 bucks or less, and you get 30 stickers. Pretty darn happy. All right, guys, take care. We'll see y'all next month.